Hello everybody and welcome back to Super Fun English. If you're wondering what to teach to a 3-year-old kid in phonics, phonics is a vast thing and you don't know where to start from and what sequence you should move ahead, then this video is for you. This is Ishara and you're watching Super Fun English every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. I give you 3 valuable videos related to the phonics and grammar training to the kids. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you get the notifications, share this video with the community and like this video. In this video, you are going to get not only the topics but also the sequence to teach phonics to a 3-year-old kids. So let's get started. First, we will start with the letter sound. Now, every time I get the questions, ma'am, when should I introduce phonics to the kids? My answer is introduce phonics while you are introducing A, B, C, D. Yes, in phonics, we don't say A, B, C, D, we say A, B, K, D. When you are introducing the capital A, simultaneously give them the small a, the A sound. The sound of A is A. So first we will start with the individual letter sounds. For this you can follow the Jolly Phonic group. There are 7 groups, but choose only the individual one, the basics ones, because a 3-year-old kid is very young and he or she is just started to learn the phonics. So we will give them the very simple things to learn. So first we will start with the individual letter sounds. You can follow the Jolly Phonics set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, set 5, set 6, set 7. But do not teach all the sound at once, just only the basic sound. Just like in the group A, we have So first you will choose just one sound. Suppose you are taking sound. So first you will introduce sound. Don't forget to give them the activities as well, and always you should give the hand movement in the mirror image because children is seeing you from the opposite side, right? So first they introduce sound, give them the related worksheet, give them the related activities, talk about sound, stories, games, rhymes, songs, everything. So stick to just one sound. If they need one more day to revise the sound, please do that. Go slow but go step by step. Once you are done with the set A or the set 1, then you can move to the blending or segmenting. Now what is blending, what is segmenting? I have made a detailed video on it. You can get the video link from the I button. When we are blending the 2 letters together, the simple blending first we will introduce. Suppose we are introducing the tin. Tin. So don't give them 3 letters. First give them the 2 letters. Suppose you are giving them the or am. So first we are giving them the individual letter sounds. We are giving them in a practice. Then we are giving them the 2 letter sounds reading. Reading is very important. The writing comes later on. The first we start the reading parts. Once they are done with the 2 letter words reading, then we will move to the next part, which is the 3 letter words. In case of 3 letter words, first you will make them the read, prepare the reading slips. For the CVC words, I have made a detailed video, a separate video. The link you can see in the I button. Please watch that video before you introduce the CVC words to the kids. Once we are done with the reading of the CVC words, you can give them a quick activity. Suppose you are giving them the word mat. Mat. So I am saying mat. Can you tell me what is the beginning sound? Can you tell me the middle sound? Can you tell me the ending sound? So this way they are segmenting, they are decoding each and every letter sounds, and they are making them familiar with each and every letter sounds and how we are blending these letter sounds together and making out one. So first the individual letter sounds, second the two letter wording, then the third is CVC word or three letter sounds, and simultaneously we are giving them enough exposure to the starting sound, mid sound and the ending sound. Next, introduce the writing. For the writing, if they are done with the CVC word, you can give them the simple dictation, very simple dictation, and please go very slow. Do not be in hurry. Please go step by step so the phonic learning journey for a 3-year-old kid should be smooth and should be very much interactive. In case of dictation, you give them the very simple spelling, give them the very slow. If they need decode it, let them identify the letter sound and form the spelling by themselves. Initially, they may need your help. Give them the help. For dictation, I have made this video. In this video, I have given a proper sequence to give the dictation to the kids. You can watch that video too. After that, you can introduce them the tricky words. Now, what are tricky words? Most of the words, like 80% words, we can spell out phonetically, but there were some words which we cannot do phonetically. These are called tricky words, like the, we, he, she. So first we will introduce the words which we can spell phonetically. Then we will introduce them the tricky words or which we cannot decode phonetically. So how to introduce tricky words, I have made a video on that. You can see the link in the I button. Please watch that video before you introduce the tricky words to the kids. Next, you can give them the vowel and consonant concept. So for vowel and consonant concept, tell them what are vowels, the basic one. What are vowels, like we have 5 fingers, so we have 5 vowels and rest are consonant. So give them a basic concept of vowel and consonant. Once they are done with this much, after that they should be able to write the very simple sentence like I am a boy. The cat is on the mat. So like this, the basic sentence they will be able to write. To make your phonic learning journey, make it more interactive, make it more interesting, you can introduce the phonic games. I always tell you to introduce the interactive games, activities, puzzles, fun games to make your class outstanding, which the student love to do. So for this, my next video, I am giving you 2 videos if you are taking phonic in online classes. So this virtual game video will be helpful for you. If you are taking the offline phonic classes, then the fun games phonic video will be appropriate for you. Please watch those 2 videos and let me know which activities or which game you like your most. Hope this video is helpful and you have got an whole idea what to introduce to a 3-year-old kid in phonics, and you have got the proper sequence as well. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to share this video with your community. Thank you so much.